If you've recently deleted your Spotify account, there's still hope. Spotify provides a limited grace period during which you can reactivate your account and recover your data. The grace period varies depending on your account type. Free accounts typically have 7 days to reactivate, while premium subscribers may have up to 30 days. Time is critical. Each day that passes brings you closer to permanent account deletion. This countdown represents the urgency of acting quickly. Immediately after deleting your account, Spotify sends a farewell email titled, "This is our last goodbye." This email contains a crucial reactivate button that you must click within the grace period. Missing the grace period has serious consequences. Once it expires, your account and all associated data, including playlists, liked songs, and followers, will be permanently deleted. At that point, recovery becomes impossible. Don't wait. Check your email right now for the Spotify goodbye message. Click the reactivate button and log in with your credentials. Every moment counts when your account recovery window is this limited. Remember, this grace period is your only chance to recover your account. Act immediately to avoid permanent data loss. If you can't find the reactivation email or the link doesn't work, don't panic. There are several troubleshooting steps and alternative methods to recover your Spotify account. The first step is to contact Spotify support immediately. Navigate to the Spotify website and scroll down to find the support link in the footer section. Once you're on the support page, follow this specific navigation path. Select Account, then Closing Account, and finally click on Reopen Account. This will take you to the account recovery options. You'll need to log in with your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Use the Forgot Password option to reset it. This will send a password reset link to your email. When contacting support, provide as much detail as possible about your account. Include your email address, subscription type, and the last date you accessed your account. This information helps support verify your identity. Be prepared to provide proof of account ownership. This could include a screenshot of a recent Spotify charge on your bank statement or any other documentation that proves the account belongs to you. If your Spotify account was linked to Facebook, Apple ID, or Google, try logging in using those credentials. This can sometimes bypass login issues and give you direct access to your account. Remember, time is critical. Acting fast is crucial because once the grace period expires, permanently deleted accounts cannot be restored. Don't delay in trying these recovery methods.